Hey guys, welcome back to Coaster Jack. I am back here at my home park in Great America on Monday, August 3rd, and we're gonna go ahead and look around the park and check out the construction. I apologize about my voice. My voice is completely thrashed. I did a lot of screaming while I was on the Grizzly at King's Dominion over the weekend. And somewhere in the process of all that screaming, I lost my voice. But if you can put up with me and my raspy voice, then drop me a like and a subscribe, and let's go. So yeah, our Coaster Boy and I did go to Virginia over the weekend. It was a 13-hour drive. We're gonna have a new video soon about that, so keep an eye out for that video. This is going to be my 33rd visit to the park this year. We are going to continue doing updates throughout the season and see how many visits we can get in 1 year. Alright guys, well here is your next construction update for Project 2027 at Great America. They are working on this site right now, and as you can see, a lot of these footers are complete and buried. But I think that most excitingly is that we've got some of these supports on site. And there are more support pieces over here on the right side as well. If you look at the back of the construction site, you can see some of the track pieces have been revealed. Looks like the tarp has blown back a little bit, and we can get a peek underneath to see some of those track pieces back there. If you've been paying attention to some of the teasers that the park has been releasing over the past few weeks, then you will have seen that we're most likely going to get a complete reveal of this project on August 6th. So in 3 more days, we should get a complete overview of what's coming in 2027. So it does look like this coaster might go vertical very soon. And we will be here throughout the season doing updates on this construction progress. So make sure you give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of those construction update videos.